Today I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress website with a WooCommerce shop and the InstaPricePro plugin installed so that you can have a website just like mine. You can create your own from scratch, manage it yourself, and sell your services online with customized pricing to match the property size, okay? Different pricing for different properties, and you can present it just like this in a shop for your customers to add to your cart, purchase online, just like they're purchasing everything else. From the Namecheap website, namecheap.com, we're going to search for fakelawnsite2024.com. That's the domain I'm going to use for this. And right here, it's available. I'm going to add to cart. I'm going to add the WordPress hosting. And I'm also going to add the SSL. That's all we need. I'm going to go to checkout. Here's what your order form should look like. These two are here, but they're not enabled. Keep them disabled. You don't need them. Everything else looks good. Go ahead and confirm the order. It's going to make you pay with a credit card and then also do a basic account setup. Now we're going to connect the domain and get WordPress set up. So we're going to go over to Namecheap. We're going to log into our newly created account. Okay. Oh, we're already logged in. All right, we're going to go to my account. In the dashboard here, we're going to go down to Apps. And we're going to click Easy WordPress. All right, when that comes up, we're going to click Setup WordPress. We're going to put the name of our business here, or the name of our site, Fake Lawn Site 2024. Click Continue. We're going to use this domain. This is where we connect our domain. Your domain on Namecheap. Continue. Just use the standard theme for now. You want to add Woocommerce. Click Continue, and then click Continue. Now it's going to create our site. All right, there you go. Usually takes about a minute. You can see now we can manage our site on the host side of things, on the domain side, or the host, excuse me. And then also, right here, you can go to the WordPress admin. And that's where we'll start using that here in a later chapter. Okay, to set up and install the SSL certificate, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our dashboard in Namecheap. We're going to go to SSL certificates, and we're going to click Activate. Okay, it's going to take you to this screen right here, and we need to enter our CSR. So to do that, you got to click this link right here, and you're going to want to find the Namecheap CSR generator. All right, you can use this URL above here. So I'm going to enter my information here. Okay, just copy how I did there, but use your own information. Click Generate. Okay, right here, we need to copy all three of these right here codes and then save them onto a Word document for later use. Okay, you can see I copied and pasted those three codes. And once you click I have copied, these go away forever. So make sure you save all three of these for use later. Now that we have our CSR code, we're going to come up here and copy it, just the first one, the CSR. We're going to come into here, enter it. It's going to automatically generate our link. Click next again, and then you can enter your info, your email address if needed right there. All right, click submit, and that's 1/3 of the way. Okay, next step is the DNS validation. All right, so at this screen right here, you want to click that red link right there. Okay, it's going to open up this page. You go down to drop down here, click get record, and you want to keep this open. Okay, keep these open right here. You're going to use this code and this code. Keep this screen open. Okay, now back inside of Namecheap, we're going to go to domain list. We're going to click the drop down here, click manage, and we're going to go to advanced DNS. Okay, now we're going to add a new CNAME record. Okay, there it is. Now the host is this other right here. This link, don't include the dot. Okay, right here, you add that. Okay, now for the target, it's this full bottom one right here. Okay, add that, click automatic, and you're good to go. Okay, for the last part, we want to come back into the dashboard, go to the SSL certificate section, and click download. If this is not ready, just give it 5 or 10 minutes. It'll update, okay? We're going to click download to get that zip file. Okay, now it's been downloaded. We're going to see it right here. We're going to extract that. Right-click, extract all. We're going to click the download bucket to extract everything into, and we're going to click extract. Okay, now we have our 3 files. Okay, so next we're going to go into our apps. Okay, Easy WordPress, we're going to open that up. All right, we're going to click Manage. We're going to go down here to SSL certificate, click Manage. We're going to add one. the free positive, custom SSL certificate. And now we're going to add information to these 3 areas and we're done. First one is the private key. We saved that earlier in our Word document. We're going to copy that. Okay, we're going to paste it. You see it's in there and it's good. Next one is our SSL certificate. We just downloaded it. It is the CRT file right here. Okay, you can click it and drag it over. Okay, the drag wasn't working, so I clicked browse and I selected the CRT file. Okay, last one right here, CA bundle. Okay, see right here, here's that file. Let's see if it'll work for us. Okay, sometimes I've had problems with this bottom part here. If you have problems with that, you want to go to your, where is it, the bundle file. You want to right click it. You want to open it with Notepad. Okay, and you see, look, there's the code right there. And we can go in here and we can enter it. And now we can click change. Okay, that's it. You see your SSL certificate is active and it'll be live in a couple minutes. Okay, the next step is purchasing and installing Elegant Themes Divi Builder. This is the builder that's going to replace the theme on our WordPress site. Okay, you want to do the lifetime membership, so it's a one-time fee, and then you'll get the theme and the builder. So you want to go through, purchase that, and then in your account, you're going to get the API key for it and the zip file. If you don't automatically get it, you can go into your account and get it after purchase, okay? Okay, now that we have the zip file, we're going to go back into our Easy WordPress app. We're going to click WordPress Admin. Okay, now we're going to go to Appearance, Themes. We're going to add a new theme. We're going to upload a theme, browse, and you're going to get that zip file from Divi. Okay, you're going to install that. Okay, now you're going to click Activate. Okay, now it's activated. Last thing, you're going to go to Divi and then Theme Options down in your menu here. Okay, you're going to go over to Updates and you're going to add your username and your API key and click Save Changes. Okay, got them there. Click Save. I don't want to save that. There we go. Now we're good to go. It's saved into the system. Okay, next is we're going to select our Divi layout pack. Okay, I'll show you what that is right now. First, you're going to click WordPress Admin to get into the admin side. So down in Divi here in the options or the settings in the Divi library, this is where you would import layouts. Okay, and what are layouts? Layouts are pre-built pages or sites that you can simply import and just edit from there on. So if you like this one, you could import this and use it as a page and then edit that page. You know, take out the image, make it yours and stuff. That's how most people build their sites these days, okay? So Divi comes with 350 layout packs, and I used one from here, and I recommend you browse in here and find one. You can see right here, look, they have a couple lawn and landscaping ones that you could use. See right here? I would recommend just using something like that. So if you're going to use one of the layout packs that's included, you don't have to do anything else here. Or if you're going to purchase one from an outside source, this is where you would come in here and you would add new, you would import it here, and it would be available later when we build pages. So once you've browsed and found the layout that you like, you don't have to do anything yet. You just know that you're going to come back to this layout when we start building pages and products. Okay, so let's create our first page. We'll make it our home page. We're going to go to Pages. We're going to click Add New. Okay, so you can see the regular WordPress editor, and then right here we can just type home page. Let's type fake lawn site 2024, and then we're going to use the Divi builder. You're going to click that button. Okay, we're going to click Start Building. Okay, and you see you can build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone existing page. Since this is our first page, we're going to browse layouts, and here's these layout packs, okay? We're going to use this lawn one. We're going to click that. We're going to click Home Page. Okay, and then we're going to click Use This Layout. Okay, there you go. You see it imported it, and I'll show you in a different video. You can check the description for a link on how to use the Divi builder to customize this, but that's in a separate video. We're going to click Publish. Okay, now that it's published, we're going to go back into the admin side. We're going to go down to Settings. Oh, let me move my bubble here. We're going to go to Settings. We're going to go to Reading. Okay, we're going to change it from a blog to a regular website. A static page, our home page, is our fake lawn site 2024 page. We're going to click Save. All right, and now we're going to view our site here. And you can see it takes us to our home page. We have a live site. We've got our SSL installed. So now I'm also going to make a couple other pages, okay? We need to make a Contact Us page, a Bounce page, and then also a couple shop landing pages, okay, for use later on in this video. So we're going to go to Pages, Add New Page. We're going to type Contact Us. Okay, we're going to use the Divi Builder. We're going to choose a pre-made layout. We're going to find that same one here. There it is. We're going to select it, and they should have a contact. Here, there's a contact one. We're going to use that layout. All right, so this form will not work. We have to set it up. We'll do that in another video, but it's super easy. But I'm just showing you how to set up these pages right now. We're going to click Publish. Okay, now I'm going to go back into the pages, and I'm going to just create. Now that you've seen how I do it, I'm just going to create the other shop pages right now. Okay, so now back here, you can see we've created our home page, a Contact Us page, and 2 shop landing pages. The first one is for up to 1/8 of an acre property size, and the other is for a 1/4 acre property size. Okay, and again, this is for a lawn company. So right here, here's our home page. There's our Contact Us page. There's our first shop landing page that we'll customize later, and here's our second shop landing page that we'll customize later. Now we're going to create products to embed on our 2 shop pages, okay? So we're going to go over here to Products in the admin, go to Add New. All right, it's going to be named Lawn Mowing, okay? And after you enter the title of it, the search, you're going to click Use the Divi Builder. Okay, now we're going to go over here. We're going to select Full Width, okay, because we don't want the sidebar. You can close these, minimize them. Go down here. This is where you set the pricing. It's a virtual product, but it's not downloadable. It's a service. Regular price, let's say it's $50 a cut, but it's on sale for $45 a cut. Okay, next, you could go in here and update categories and product tags. That's advanced user stuff. You don't really need it though. Click Publish. Okay, now we're going to click to build on the front end using the Divi Builder. Okay, here we are, and you can see it's plain Jane. There's nothing in here yet because we haven't added any content. Okay, here's what a finished one looks like. Here's mine on my lawn website. This is fully customizable. You can make it look however you want. That's a good thing that it's blank, okay? Because then you can customize it to match your business exactly. Maybe you want to build it out like I do, like Amazon pages. That's how I think you should be selling products, but this is where you would do that. Okay, next we're going to go, now that we have our one product, we need to duplicate that product because that's our 1/8 of an acre. Okay, that's our low one. Now we need to duplicate this for the other shop page, the larger one, okay? So we're going to call this Lawn Mowing also. This one is going to be 60 and 55 because it's in a higher property tier. And we're going to click Publish. Okay, and real quick, you can differentiate between these products that have the same name that are for different pricing, for different tiers. You can change the permalink structure. I won't cover that. That's real easy. Click that link and it'll allow you to then customize these, okay? Or you can create categories and assign them a category. It's very simple. You can just look up YouTube on how to do that. So now if we go back to our products here, you can see we have both of our mowing products created, different prices, and we'll embed those on those shop pages later in this video. Next up is the menu, okay? And what the menu is, well, there's multiple menus, the header area and then the footer area. I'm going to show you how to edit those right now, okay? So we're going to go back into WordPress here on the admin side. We're going to go down to Appearance and Menus. Okay, so now we're going to create a main menu, all right? Primary menu, we're going to click Create. Now we're going to select which pages go onto that menu. Now that the menu is created, we're going to add pages to it, okay? So select View All. Here's our front page. We're going to put that, and then we're going to put My Account page on there for now, and then also Contact Us. We're going to add these to the menu, and you have them here. You can set them as sub-menus, main menus, or whatever you'd like. Okay, we're going to click Save there, and then now we're going to see how it looks on the front. Okay, there you go. All right, so I'm not going to go into too much more detail on the header area. I'm just going to show you that if you want to customize it further, including the logo, you can go into the theme customizer, okay? Customize and do it from in there. You can make adjustments in here, or you can go down in the Divi theme options, and you can see right here, you can put your logo right here, okay? But usually you want to go into the Appearance Customize to customize that header area further. Now we want to look into the footer areas. That's down here, this bottom bar, and then also this footer area here. Okay, so inside of WordPress, we're going to go to Appearance, going to go to Customize, And once we get into the customizer, you're going to see right here, it's going to say footer. Okay, you can change the layout down there at the bottom. You can also change how the widgets look, the colors, the links, all that stuff, the fonts. You can show or remove the social icons. And you can also make some other font and color changes there, and then you can remove that if you like, okay? You can do a lot more, but that's the basic stuff right there for the bottom area. Now for the footer above that, actual footer area, I'm going to show you right here. It goes to appearance, and those are widgets. Like the menus, it's a little different on the top than it is at the bottom. They use widgets down at the bottom. So inside of the widgets area, you see there's already one existing archives category. So when we look here, you can see it's right there and it's on the left side. So we could go in there and continue to build it out. I'm not going to do it in this video because it's very straightforward. It's just like the builder and any other part of here. You can build whatever you want to go into the footer area. And on a higher level here, you can go into the Divi theme customizer, which we're not going to go over in this video. Sorry, that was the wrong place. Divi theme builder. And you can build global headers, global bodies, global footers, but that's something specific to Divi, and I recommend looking into that as well. Now we're going to embed our products onto the shop pages that we created so that when the customers land on the shop pages, they have products to purchase. So we're going to go to our pages. We're going to open up our bottom tier shop page right there. Okay, then we're also going to go to our products, and we're going to open up our bottom tier mowing page. Okay, there we go. So you see right here, we've got our landing page, and we want to create a product right here for them to see. So we're going to click enable the visual builder. Okay, so first thing, I'm going to get rid of this this image here. Image right here, we're going to get rid of that. Okay, we're going to create a new row. It's going to be a double column like that. We're going to put another image in here. Okay, we're going to add it from our desktop here. All right, we're going to use the medium. We're going to upload that image. We're going to accept it. All right, now we're going to add a button underneath here. All right, let me move this over here. All right, so click here. It's going to say buy now. All right, and then the link, we're going to get the link from this page, from our product here, okay? And we're going to embed it here. There we go. Now we got a button that goes to it, okay? Now, of course, you have endless customization possibilities here. You can put curved borders, box shadows, different color. I mean, you can do endless, but I'm just showing you the functionality, okay? So now we're going to exit the visual builder. And now we're going to test that. If we click buy now, where does it take us? It takes us to that correct product that we embedded there. So that's how you do it. Now we're going to install a side cart so we can get rid of the regular cart process on WordPress, okay? So you're going to want to get Zootix, I think is how you pronounce it, and to get their side cart for Woocommerce plugin. Okay, you can see I went through, I paid, set up an account, click download. I'm going to get a zip file, okay? Now I'm going to go back into WordPress here. I'm going to go to plugins, add new plugin, upload plugin, browse. I'm going to find that zip file that I just got. I'm going to install now. Now I'm going to click activate plugin. And you can see there it is, Sidecart Premium. And you can go into the settings and you can customize your sidecart however you want it to look. You can do endless stuff here. Here's mine right here on my lawn website. Say we did this right here, add to cart. I've completely customized it out to look like this and match my company. And that's what you want to do for yours. And lastly, remember, this removes the standard cart process on the site. Okay, it gets replaced with the side cart. So we'll be able to remove this at a later time because you don't need that anymore. You're going to rely on this. Okay, actually, I'm going to show you a trick right here. Look, find this card up here. We want to get rid of it. We're going to right click it, click inspect. Okay, so now you see that's the class right there. We're going to right click here, copy, CSS selector, jump into ChatGPT and say, I want to hide this. All right, let's see what it says. All right, we're going to grab that code. We're going to jump in here, go to Theme Customizer. I'm going to go down to Additional CSS. It'll let me select it. There we go. We're going to paste that there. Look, it disappears right there. Okay, so you can add CSS at any time. But that's an advanced concept. Now we need to install or activate our payment processing. All right, we have a shop, which is Woocommerce, but we can't really run payments to there yet until we set up the payment processing. So you're going to want to go to Woo Payments and download this this plugin. This is a free plugin, but you still need to add to cart and do a regular checkout process, and it's going to give you a zip folder. Once you get that file, you're going to go to Plugins, Add New Plugin, Upload Plugin. We're going to browse for it, look in our downloads, and here it is right here, Woocommerce Payments, and we're going to install now. We're going to activate the plugin. Okay, there we go. Now we're inside of the actual plugin. All right, we need to finish setup, and this is going to connect you to Stripe. And you're going to have to go through a basic thing, you know, setting up your, like any other payment processor, connecting to your bank, okay? Okay, I jumped over into my other website here, and I'm going to show you, just for the sake of this, of speed here, of time, I'm going to show you what it looks like in the back end of Woo Payments once you get it all set up. Okay, so let's find it in here. Woocommerce. Oh, there it is. Woo Payments. Okay, now you can see once it's all set up, you can pick your different payment methods. You click enable. You can turn on test mode to do test runs and stuff like that. You can have Apple Pay, Google Pay, Woo Pay. All of this is going to show up on the checkout page. Now it's all turned on and activated, and it takes over. Okay, next we're going to download and install the InstaPricePro WordPress plugin. That's the plugin that I created that adds variable pricing to your website, okay? So you're going to want to add to cart, go through the checkout process, and you're going to get a zip file, a license key, and 2 API keys. So you need those 4 items, okay? And you'll get those when you purchase, and then we're going to jump back into WordPress, and I'll show you how to set it all up. Okay, we're back in WordPress here. We're going to go to plugins. We're going to add new plugin, upload plugin, browse, and we're going to look for the InstaPricePro zip file. It might not have that same ending when you purchase. This is my copy, but InstaPricePro, install now. Okay, we're going to activate the plugin. There you go, InstaPricePro, and you'll see it here in the menu. Now we need to go to license, or else it won't work. We're going to enter the license key. Here's my dummy license key. Click activate. Okay, now you can get into the app right here, InstaPricePro. Okay, we still got to add our Maps API key and our Data API key that came with our order form. Okay, I copied and entered both of those at the same time, one up top, one here, and then save. I made sure they were both in there, click save. Now the app is open and we're ready to configure it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is set your service area with the polygon, okay? So we'll just say this is our service area, okay? Double click when you're done, click save. Now it's got our service area saved into the WordPress system. You can have multiple or just one, but for this tutorial, we're going to show you just one. Okay, so next is the property tiers. So our first tier is going to be 0.001 acres up to 1/8 of an acre, 0.125 acres. But now for here, we're going to put the URL of the landing page we created for the 1/8 acre. So you see that's the page right here. We're going to take the URL from this, and you can change the URL later. We're going to enter it here, okay? Now we're going to add another tier. It's going to be 0.1251 through 0.2500 or 2.50. Okay, that's going to be our 1/4 acre tier. So now we want to go to our pages, get our 1/4 acre shop landing page, get that URL, which again, you can change that later, put here, okay? And then I would also create more tiers per what you need in an oversize and stuff like that. But just for this tutorial, we're going to click Save Changes. Okay, I also recommend making an out of service area and a bounce page for in case something goes wrong when you're using the shop. Okay, we're going to save that into the system. Okay, and now we're going to put like Amazon just for testing purposes. Okay, so we've got the app set up. We just need to embed our shortcodes in our pages, and then we're ready to use our new online shop. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so the first one is going to be our Google search bar shortcode. Okay, so you can put this on the main page or whatever page you want on your site. We're going to go to our main home front page here. We're going to click Enable Visual Builder. And you see right here, we're going to get rid of this. We're going to delete that. We're going to edit this, and we're just going to enter right now our shortcode here. Okay, we'll click Save. And you can see now we have it in there. Okay, we can do all kinds of customization. We can fix those gaps and make it look better. But again, we're just showing how this works, the functionality. Okay, I'm going to click Save here to update the page. Now I'm going to exit the Visual Builder. And you can see now it works, okay? But still got to do these other shortcodes before we can try it out. Okay, so these final two shortcodes, these go on your shop landing pages, okay? Okay, you can see my lawn business, my shop page. This is the imagery shortcode, and this is the property details shortcode, and it changes for every user, and it's really cool, okay? So we just need to embed that on top of the shop pages for our new site. Okay, so we're going to open up our 1/8 of an acre and our 1/4 acre property tier shop pages right now. We're going to click Enable Visual Builder on the 1/8 acre. And again, you can make it look prettier. I'm just showing functionality here. I'm just going to show you what you can do with it. We're going to add text file here, or text block. Okay, you're going to add imagery right there, shortcode. So there it's there. It's just not working because we haven't used it yet. Now we're going to do another text right here. Okay, we're going to add property details shortcode into there. Okay, now you're going to do the same thing on the next page, on your other landing page there. Okay, well, we'll do that in another video, but each shop landing page should have this here, and we're going to show you how it works here soon. Make sure you save everything. Okay. And we're going to exit the Visual Builder. Okay, now we've got the InstaPricePro plugin set up. We have our service area set up. We have all of our property tiers, 1/8 of an acre, 1/4 acre, and again, you can put more or change into whatever fits your business. We have our shop landing pages and our out of service and bounce URL set up. Everything's set up. Let's check it out, okay? Okay, here we are on the live site, fakelawnsite2024.com, and we've got everything set up. Let's look for something in our service area. Here we go. This is in my neighborhood. Click submit. It's going to run through. Boom. It found the property, pulled the imagery, found the property data, determined the size was in 1/4 acre, and sent us to this page. And now the person can shop from here. Okay. They can add to cart. You see it's going to go here, and then you can go to checkout from here. Okay. I did not turn on my payment processor, but we did that in a previous video. But that's it. Now you got a web store. Okay. You got your main page. Okay, you can add as many pages as you want. You got your search bar where the customer can put in their address, and then you have the landing pages with the products embedded. That's all you need to sell your services online, 100%. Okay, just a final note here. This was a bare bones project just for the purpose of the video. You still need to come in here and customize everything, which is simple because you have the Divi builder. Okay, so you can watch other videos on how to use the Divi builder. You'll be editing all your pages and product pages in no time, just like I am. Okay, so you're going to want to get your logo in here, make your menu look like how you want it to look. Same with the footer. All of your pages you can customize one by one and make them all look, you know, how your company, how you want it to look. You know, you don't want your website, you don't want your shop, and you don't want the checkout process, you don't want it to be the same as everybody. And that's what this brings for you, WordPress. Yours is different and tailored for your business and exactly what you want to sell and exactly how you want to sell it. We literally just scratched the surface of what's possible here with the landing pages, your product pages, and being able to customize those out to be able to show whatever pricing you want. And I'll leave you with this. Here's my finished shop landing page look right here, okay? And then when you click into each product, look at how detailed you can get with all the add-ons, the different pricing. You can build it out just like Amazon pages, and that's what this, now you're ready to do that.